Hi friends, I have added the practice model download link in this video description. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon for video notifications.
Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to compare the two parts. So in previous video we have created this part by remastering. So I have opened the dump part and parametric part. So I want to cross check all the features are created as per the dump. So if it is a simpler profile, we can check it by the comparison between placing the dump inside this part itself. If it is a larger part, it has more features. If it is have surface related part, then in that scenario you need a separate workbench to check the parts. For checking that, we have DMU space analysis workbench. In that one we have product comparison. So we need to add the two parts which you want to compare. So I have added the two parts. So if you see, everything it is matching. We will check with the help of comparison toolbar. So old one, I am just checking the dump. Part, which is the input file, it is representing in green color. New version is whatever the part we need to check. Here you can do you can update the accuracy. Mostly we used to keep 0.01. It depends on your part and requirement. So after giving preview, you can see. So yellow color is wherever the part is matching. Red color, so it is having difference between. So this difference is on the latest part. If it is having green, then green is not matching with yellow. So in this scenario, yellow material is more. So that is the reason yellow is highlighted here. So when we are checking visually, we are not able to find this one. By using this command, we can able to find the issues. So we need to work on the part to rectify this issue. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.
Hi friends, I have added the practice model download link in this video description. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon for video notifications.